Hello, my name's Rihan, and today I was invited to this KFI Global program opportunity. And to be honest, I expected not to learn a lot more than what I already knew, but that's not what I got here. I got a lot of insight in what happens behind the scenes with money, and I think I'm prepared a lot more for my future.
Hi, my name is Tanuja, and honestly, I went into this program blind. I didn't know what to expect. And some might initially think that some of the things they teach in the program are just the basics and that anyone obviously knows this. But one thing I could really get behind was the motto, simple but easy, simple but not easy, right? And that's a really important thing to consider. And I still, despite the things being rather simple at face value, when it comes to real life application, they get a lot more difficult. And so another thing that I liked about it was that it forces us as young kids to think about money at this age, at an age a lot earlier than what we normally expect. And so it really does prepare us for our future. So we both would like to thank on our behalf, we'd like to
Emirates NBD for this KFI Global program. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nikhil. I'm studying in year 11, and over the course of yesterday and today, I had the opportunity to attend the KFI Global program. Three things I liked about the program was first of all, the level of financial literacy it gave to us over such a short course of time, and it made me realize how important that financial literacy was. And then secondly, the level of engagement also helped me truly attend the program and helped me really understand financial literacy. And thirdly, it also helped me understand that I need to talk to my parents and other people around me about financial literacy, and not just that, about other things in the course of life too. I would like to thank Emirates NBD for giving me this opportunity to attend this course.
Hi, I'm Malvika, and this was supposed to be the two most boring days of my life by missing classes and attending this program, but it was truly not. It was the most interactive and most fun program that I've been to, and it has taught me, it really opened my eyes to the most commonly discussed topic, money, but it has so many underlying aspects to it. And it was really interactive and fun, so thank you KFI Global for this program.
Hi, I'm Jewel. I really thought this was going to be a very boring program. I mean, I've avoided programs my entire life solely for this reason. They bore me out. However, the KFI program definitely proved me wrong. There was more interactive work than I would have ever expected, and more explanations, thought out process than I would have ever anticipated. Overall, I enjoyed and I learned even more, which is the thing that drew me in the most. Thank you, Emirates NBD, for sponsoring this program.
Hi, my name is Lane, and let me tell you about a few things that I loved about the KFI Global program. So this program is mainly about how to manage your money, and it was a lot more interactive than I ever thought it would be. They had a lot of activities and they were really enjoyable. And as someone who does not know anything about credit cards or any different types of loans, this was extremely useful for me. I definitely recommend students to attend this program because it'll be very helpful in the future for when you're trying to manage your finances. And lastly, thank you Emirates NBD for sponsoring this program.
Hello, Hello, my name is Aaliyah, and I feel really honored that I got to attend the KFI Global program. And at first, I was really intimidated because what do I know about financial literacy education? But this program was really interactive, and honestly, it wasn't that scary. And it's an education program. Of course, you're gonna learn about financial literacy. And there was a lot of things I enjoyed about the program, but the most thing that I enjoyed about was that you were encouraged to think about your own decisions rather than being told like, oh, you have to do this or you have to use that. And these really made me think about what am I going to do in the future and like how I would handle my money decisions and so on. And I'd like to thank Emirates NBD for sponsoring this program. And this was very cool, and I really appreciate it.
Hi, I'm Sophia, and I've just finished attending the KFI Global Program for Financial Literacy. Now you might be thinking, why do I need money? Why do I need to know about money at this age? The only money I need to be thinking about is my allowance when I blow it all off during my hangouts. But no, financial literacy is way more than that. And fortunately for me, I have a mother who is financially literate. But for those of you who are not fortunate enough to have this privilege of having any relative that is financially literate to help you in these sort of situations, these experienced ladies are here to teach you about the ways of not getting scammed that you come across. This session was really interactive, and I enjoyed it a lot. I especially enjoyed the way that they would express their opinions and how we also could express our opinions. And all in all, I recommend that everyone attends this program.